In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete an egg in Widgetable application. Deleting an egg in Widgetable application is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Widgetable application in your mobile phone, then click on the More option given below, then click on the Pets option. Now, click on the egg. You have to hatch the egg to delete the egg. You cannot delete the egg without hatching it. So we select the pet to delete that. You have to click on the three dots on the top of the pet and select the inactivate option, then click on the confirm button. In this way you can inactivate the pet. You can activate or wake it up by clicking on the wake it up option. Widgetable application does not provide a straightforward option to delete an egg in application. It may be a limitation that frustrates some users, but currently there is no way to delete a pet or an egg in Widgetable application.